so good. Hello everybody, today we're going to be cooking some chicken thighs with some broccoli and some potato wedges in the oven. And we're also going to be cooking some ground turkey with some peppers, onions, green beans, black beans, and some spinach. It's going to be really healthy. It's great for a post-workout meal. Here with us we have Dexter. He's going to be helping us out when we cook, and he might be even trying out some specialty foods. Alright, we just got one more thing before we head off. Alright, let's cook. Good. Smells so good. Everybody, there you have it. We have some chicken thighs with some potato wedges and broccoli, and we have some ground turkey with some veggies, some green beans, some spinach, all packed with nutrient, protein, and everything you need for a post-workout meal. Dexter definitely agrees because he ate the French fry. Put in the comments if you guys like to see any other videos, and I'll catch you later on the next side.